I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use SiteGround with WordPress. First, choose a hosting plan that fits your website's needs, whether it's a small blog or a growing e-commerce store. Next, register a new domain name directly through SiteGround or easily transfer an existing one. Finally, use SiteGround's intuitive WordPress installer to get your site up and running in just a few clicks. Once WordPress is installed, log into your dashboard to start customizing. Begin by installing essential plugins that enhance security, improve performance, and add desired functionalities. Then, select a theme that visually represents your brand and provides the layout you need for your content, ensuring a professional and engaging user experience. To ensure your site runs smoothly, utilize SiteGround's powerful caching tools, like Super Cacher, for significantly faster loading times. Implement an SSL certificate to secure data transmission and build trust with your visitors. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to protect against vulnerabilities and maintain optimal performance. Regularly perform backups of your entire WordPress site to safeguard your data against unforeseen issues. Monitor your website analytics to gain insights into user behavior and identify areas for improvement. As your website grows and traffic increases, easily scale your SiteGround hosting plan to accommodate higher demands and ensure continuous, reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.